Hello gorgeous, my name is Lily Jasmine and welcome to day 2 of our 7 days of twerk. Today I'm going to teach you how to body roll and scoop it down. As always, we are going to start with our leg warm up and some affirmations, and this is day 2. And actually this week I'm teaching you a whole little choreo, which is a TikTok challenge. So if you haven't seen day 1, hop over to day 1. But if you have, let's start with our leg raises, because you know that we are doing those this week. And they actually always make my legs so sore. I feel like they are one of my favorite booty workouts or booty workout exercises, because you really get to isolate your glutes. If the balance is a bit too much, you can hold on to anything, lean into a wall, just make sure that your posture is nice so that your body is above your standing leg. Bend your standing leg a little bit and don't go out of balance whenever you lift your leg. It doesn't have to be this high, it can also be like this. You will already feel that. It's already actually quite hard, and I can already feel it in my butt cheek. And yes, it's normal if you feel it in your left butt cheek. So I'm raising my right leg and I'm feeling it in my left butt cheek as well, which is normal. Keep going, we are almost there. We're going till 25 and then we're switching to our other leg because we got 2. And then we are done. So 3 more, I think. And last one, bam. And I'll switch and raise that leg. Make sure to squeeze. You can also put your hand on your glute actually, if you don't really feel the muscle tense up whenever you raise your leg. Focus is where the strength goes. So make sure to just think about your booty. Oh, and your balance a little bit. Keep going, we are almost there. Keep throwing them legs up. And we have 5 more to go, and then the fun can start. And 1 more. Oh, that was hard. Okay, now look at yourself in the mirror. If you don't have a mirror close by or you find it too intimidating, then close your eyes, place your hand on your heart and the other one on your belly. If not, look at yourself in the mirror, do the same with your hands, and tell yourself, repeat after me. Look yourself in the eye. I look amazing today. I'm gonna rock this tutorial. And I'm gonna rock this. I look amazing today. I'm gonna rock this tutorial. And I'm gonna rock this day. I look amazing today. I'm gonna rock this tutorial, and I'm going to rock the rest of the day. Now smile. Be proud of yourself that you overcame the awkward part of looking at yourself. It made me smile. It always makes me smile talking to myself. Now let's move on to the fun part. We are going to body roll down. First, I'm gonna explain to you how to do a normal, simple, plain body roll. To body roll, we are going to start with our chest. Bring your chest up, and then you are gonna roll down. So you first bring your chest up, you bring your nipples up, your ribs, your belly button, your hips, and then you swing them back. We're gonna do it again. So bring your chest, your nipples, your rib cage, your belly button, your hips, and swing them back. Now do it the other way. I'm standing at a little bit of a diagonal because it's easier to do it like that. You're going to roll up, 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 swing. I know doing it this slow is harder than doing it a little bit faster. So get it down slow first, and then the fast part will be easy. I want you to try and follow your body while it rolls to make sure you know which part is up. So place your hands at the top of your chest, bring it up, and while you bring the next part up, bring your hands down and swing it down. We're gonna do 4 body rolls on the right side and 4 on the left. If it went a little bit too fast, you can always pause the video and rewind. If not, do it with me. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll and down. Roll and down. Roll and down. Roll and down. Now the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll and down. Look at yourself in the mirror if you have one close. And roll and down. One more. Roll and down. Good job. So proud. Now, I know that you've all seen the move and it is not going to the top, but it's more in a leaned over way. So what we are doing is still, we are body rolling. So we're bringing, instead of bringing our chest up, we are bringing it down, 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 ta. You are bringing chest, boobies, rib cage, belly button, hips, and then instead of swinging it back, you swing it up. So try and bend over a little bit. Then we are going to bring it down, 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 and up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 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 and up. Now, to make it a little bit bigger, I know that the chest part is the hardest part to roll down. Make it bigger with your hips. So you are rolling down, 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 up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 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 up. And you can make a little accent there. Now, what they do in the video is they make it a little bit smaller. So they don't start with the chest. I know that was the hardest part. So you're like, phew. Yes, I know. They don't start with the chest. They just use it from their rib cage. So they go ta, ta. They roll from the rib cage, down, down, up, down, down, up, again, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now they just do it twice on each side. Let's try that. We're gonna start facing the right, and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can actually use your back leg a little bit to make it a little bit bigger, so you can step with your back leg. Let's start. 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta, and turn, turn. I hope that helps, and if you haven't nailed it yet, no problem, you have all day to practice, because tomorrow we are moving on to the next move, which I believe is ta, ta, ta. So it is a booty bounce up with one leg in the air. Yes, you can do that. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.